I found this really old picture of me, my sister and 2 friends, and I wanted to use this picture on my art journal page. And this picture is from us with a swimming contest, and this is the last day and we all have our medals. I wanted to do my page about that. So I scanned it, printed it. Here is my printed picture, and because of the bad quality and I had to enlarge it, the quality is not really that good, but I'm gonna figure out a way. Now there are ways to make your picture look vintage, old, with vintage photo. I didn't want to do that, and I came about a piece of, I think it's baking paper, and it's a little bit brownish. So I thought if I wrap this around, I don't see the bad quality of my picture anymore, and I have this really vintage look.
My name is Ilona, better known on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook as Picture for Life. My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling and mixed media on a low budget. Subscribe to my channel to follow me on my journey this year of exploring, learning, growing, having fun and playing. I make easy to follow process tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. And this page will be an interactive art journaling page. Have fun watching!
That's cool. Saving that for later. I also wanted to use some ephemera out of my old planner. This planner was from 2014 and it has these gorgeous images in there. I cut a few out. I need something here. For this kind of projects I pull out my bucket with all kinds of stuff in there. See, I have picked out some things that might be useful. Here I have this, and I have pieces of paper, a tag. So we'll see what we are going to use and what not. Oh wait, maybe I want to do some splattering first. Now I need something here in the middle, because the funny part is, when I saw this piece of map, it has the place where I was born is on this map. So that was a really cool thing as well. And the other thing I was doing, I was really searching really hard if I still had a medal, and I know I have saved them, but I could not find one of my old medals. So what I did was I printed them out. These are exactly like the ones that I had. So this one was a little bit too big, so I also did a smaller one. I'm going to use that as well. In the meantime, I'm seeing if I
this to be. It's kind of a vintage page, so I think it needs... See, I would have never thought on that glue if I didn't have that piece lying out on my desk that I got out of my bucket.
Asked my husband to print me another picture at his work because he has a better printer, and I'm hoping to get a really beautiful sepia picture back. And I also asked him to shrink it down so I can add the full picture on the back of my tag. Now I want to give myself some wings. This ink does not dry and it can smear. I don't want that, of course. So what I do is I'm using tape over it. Now I have my wings.